yeah, put it in there. A little chip.
Remember, don't walk in the grass. I saw people.
Daddy, look at you. The boy gave me candy.
Yeah.
All right.
Daddy, there's someone being a hot dog.
Hot dog. Oh, there's a hot dog, yeah.
The hot dog.
Make sure you guys stay in line. Go.
Thank you and not the hood.
Cool. What'd you get this time?
I got yours.
A lot of stuff. Careful, girl. You're gonna trip.
Alright. Come on, Katie.
Please smell like you give me something good to eat.
Hurry, hurry, hurry.
Another one.
Checking down another.
I want you to wear your hat. It's cuter. I don't know.
I got yay pot. There you go. So now it's ready. I will do this. And I got that.
What you got?
Fish.
You got fish? Come on, Emma.
I got this, Mommy.
What is that?
Mommy, that one.
That's good. I like good manner. Hi, Chase.
Can we do that one?
Nope. That's the next one we're going. No running. Hi, Luna.
Hey.
Run, hurry, run. Chase.
They give you more.
What is it? What is it? Kid time.
Oh, for church.
Pick me.
I'm looking at you. Look.
Me.
How much candy you have?
A lot of them.
A lot of them?
Yeah.
Okay, I need you guys to pick up your candy and put it in your own bucket. Okay?